Welcome to Little John's Yarns. Today we're going to learn how to create this easy crochet stars. You can use any weight yarn and its corresponding hook size. To begin, we're going to start with a magic ring. If you can't make a magic ring, just chain 5 and slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. To begin, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Now we're going to place 2 more double crochets into the ring. 1, 2, chain 2. Now begins our pattern repeat. We're going to place 3 double crochet into the ring, followed by a chain 2. We're going to do that for a total of 4 times. I'll work it with you the first time. So let's place 3 double crochets into this ring. 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, 1, 2. That is going to be our pattern repeat around. I want you to repeat that 3 more times. 3 double crochet into the ring, chain 2. Pause your video here and I'll meet you at the completion. We've made it back around and you can pull the center tail to tighten off your center. And you should have a total of 5 clusters all the way around. So now we're going to slip stitch the join into the top of the chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and join. This starts round 2 and our last and final round. Now begins our pattern repeat. We are going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Here's the first chain and there's the second chain. Half double crochet into the next stitch. Sorry if my fingers run away. Double crochet into the next chain. And place 1 treble crochet into the next 2 chains. So the next chain is going to be a treble crochet. Remember to yarn over twice. Complete that treble crochet. And 1 more treble crochet on that very last chain. Now we are going to slip stitch into the next chain 2 space. And that completes our pattern repeat. We're going to do that around for another 4 times. I'll show you one more time. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to be moving a little bit faster now. I'm going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook. 1, 2. Half double crochet into the next stitch. Double crochet into the next stitch. It's like we're crocheting up a hill, getting the stitches bigger as you go. Now we're going to place 1 treble crochet into the next 2 stitches. So yarn over twice for that next stitch. And treble crochet into that last chain stitch. And slip stitch into the next chain 2 space. Alright, so I want you to repeat this for a total of 3 more times. I'll write it up above, or if you need, I'll leave a timestamp on where this repeat begins. So pause your video here and I'll meet you at the completion of this round. We've completed our pattern repeat, and now you're just going to slip stitch into the very last chain 2 space to join. And you can fasten off your work and your star is all done. Make sure you block it. Alright guys, thank you so much for following along to this tutorial. Make sure you check out my other ones, and I'll see you all on the very next video. Bye guys.